Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya and Commander-in-Chief of the Defense Forces, my colleague, Professor Kindiki, all leaders and service commanders that are here today, let me just take 2 minutes of your time before I invite His Excellency the President. First, let me also congratulate all the men and women who have today been honored after successfully completing their package of training. We say congratulations to you as cadets today. The second point I want to make is that, Your Excellency, it is always a sense or a moment of joy and pride to Kenyans and to our nation when we see disciplined men and women marching by and taking the oath, committing to serve this country and yourself as they have done today. Our disciplined forces, our men and women in uniform, have been a beacon of hope that this country is stable, shall remain stable, and is a country that shall observe the rule of law. This has also gone beyond our borders, because a lot of these men and women are always called upon to serve beyond our borders in peacekeeping efforts, in training of other nations' people, and that is a clear recognition that Kenya has made tremendous strides in ensuring that we cultivate the right kind of public service, a public service that is fit for purpose, that is able to ensure that there is stability, and that is what a robust economy requires. So, Your Excellency, this is a momentous day and a momentous effort by the young men and women who are here today, and also by the trainers of these good people. Your Excellency, it is now my singular pleasure to request